Hey guys! Okay, so today I am going to make breakfast. I am going to be putting potatoes seasoned with olive oil, salt, pepper, and oregano. I'm going to be putting that into the air fryer. That's going to be my first thing. Second thing is going to be bacon and eggs. I'm going to be cooking those. And then I also have onions here, ready, sliced. And I'm going to be caramelizing them. So, and then I'm going to be putting everything on the tortilla, whatever. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to melt the cheese on the egg first, right? It's just going to be an over hard kind of egg, but not too hard, right? I'm going to melt the cheese on it. Ooh! And then we're going to put everything together in the tortilla and have the potatoes, and away we go. Bye! Cha-cha for now. Alright, potato time. Olive oil. Pepper. Right, get it in there. Then we got some salt. Bam. And fresh oregano. So, you've got to, can you see it? Just gonna go like that, squish it all in there. Then I'm gonna mix it with my hand. See how I made them little cubes? Little cubes. This is gonna be delicious. I love potatoes, especially when I make them with this kind of dressing. It's so easy and it's tasty, right? And then if you need to after, you add more pepper or salt. So this is gonna be good, especially with the tortilla creation I'm making. Alright, then, my hands are all oily, of course. Into the air fryer. Thingamabobber. Bloop, bloop, bloop. So I'm just going to spread it evenly in there. And put it in and let it do its magic. Then I can go get everything else ready, right? That's why I thought I'd do it this way, because it'll be easier. It frees my hand to do the other stuff, so then everything will be ready at the same time. Hopefully, that's what we hope for. Alright, cha-cha for now. Bye! I don't know if you can see it, but they're starting to boil in there. The timer's set for 20 minutes and 400. So that's what happened with this. We'll let that continue to cook. Over here, I got the bacon. The bacon's just in strips. And that's going to start cooking. And then on this side, I can put the eggs. So we'll let that do its thing. Yippers. Woo! Over here, the onions are still going at it, taking a little while, but that's what you want. You want it to do a slow cook and let that butter just soak into the onion. All right, so we'll leave that. That's on low heat, right? You got to do it on low heat so that it just takes the time and soaks up all the butter. And now I'm going to go to my next part. In the back. Okay, so while that's all cooking, I showed you a little bit of what's going on. I got the tortillas. What I'm going to do is I'm going to butter them on, I'm going to butter them on this side. Just the one side is fine. And then that side's going to go down on the frying pan so that you can put all your goodies in it. And it'll do like a slow cook, slow fry, right? You know what? This I actually learned from my daughter, who she's been making some, using this and they just been putting cheese in it, right? And maybe a slice of meat or something. So, knowing me, I probably wouldn't have put the butter on and said, hey, what happened? But you learn something new every day, right? And especially with cooking, there's no set way of doing anything. You do whatever works for you. You try to find the easy way. You try to find something that's going to be good for you. So, that's that. All right, we'll see you in a bit. I'm going to hang up. I'm going to not hang up. I'm going to stop this recording. It's not like I'm on the phone. I'm going to stop this recording and get the eggs on and get all my cooking done and ready. Okay, ciao for now. Bye. Okay, so the bacon is getting really crispy and like not really crispy, it's getting nice and cooked. But I changed my mind, guys. I put 3 eggs on, so I'm gonna use the 3 eggs, and now I'm gonna break it. Okay? I'm gonna break it. I'm gonna turn this heat down a bit. Woo! And that's okay if it's like that. I know, whatever. It's okay, just get some bacon fat over here. Because, you know what I figured? We need enough egg to fit into the tortilla. Let's just call it tea. Call it tea. So, this is the egg. It's okay. Okay. Because you don't want it all runny in there anyways, right? You need it cooked a bit. And, so that's that. So let me do this. Now, I gotta get the salt, the pepper. Guess what I forgot? I forgot to get my cheese. It's easier when you have your ingredients all together, right? See how I'm just getting the bacon fat into this, into the egg? Then it's gonna be more bacon flavor. Yum, yum, yum. This is gonna be delicious. Okay, but I gotta go. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my cheese, and then I gotta take the bacon off, and go from there. Okay, ciao for now, bye! Okay, so here, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit on, right? Because we're gonna top it off in the actual tortilla, and then it can melt more so. Just a little bit. I'm gonna turn this off now, let that melt, get the bacon off. Just need a spatula thingamabobber. Scoop it up onto the, and I usually put it on the paper towel just so that it drains a bit. Oh, this is gonna be, oh, how did that little bugger didn't get cooked very well? Just do it that side. So now I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, I think that one's done. Okay, so I gotta take it over there. Thanks, ciao for now, bye. Okay, so I got the tortilla buttered down on the pan. I heated up the pan a bit. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the egg, and the egg, we're gonna put the egg right on it. So, we'll do it on half, right? Can you see this? I'm putting the egg on half. Come on. I gotta put this down for a second. Woo! Okay? So we got the egg. Then, I don't know if you can see it. You can't see it. That's okay. Got the egg. Then you're gonna come over here with me because it's just easier. Got the egg. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Now I'm gonna put some bacon on it. Some bacon. Okay? And then I cut up just some cheddar cheese that's gonna melt into it. As well, we can't forget the mozzarella cheese. I'll be right back. Bye! Okay, so I'm trying to think of what to do. I got the mozzarella cheese, the cheddar cheese, the bacon, the eggs, and now it's time to put the caramelized onions. Look at these babies. I'm gonna put them right on top. Okay? Oh man. This is delicious, and I know sometimes whatever, you overstuff it, but you can't go wrong with onions. Oh. Awesome, right? So that's what we're going to do. It's going to cook now. What we're going to do is flip it over, okay? Because what you got to do is you got to do both sides separately. So just even it out and flip it over. Give it a little squeeze on the ends and just let that cook. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta get the other one. Get these things. I gotta go. All right, ciao for now. Bye. So you guys see this, right? So you just gotta press it down, okay? Because you don't want everything to fall out. So press it down, squish it in there. You're gonna be eating it anyways. And I mean, if a couple of things do fall out, by all means, that's fine. This right here is what you call a nice, beautiful monster size. This is gonna be so good. So good. Medium to high heat. Ta-da! Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Flip! Wow! Yeah, baby! Woo! Look at that. So 2 minutes. 2 minutes, okay? 2 minutes. Take it off. We'll get the other one on, and then we are ready to eat with the potatoes. Okay, ciao for now. Bye. Okay, and while the other one is cooking, I'm gonna get the potatoes. Woo, you hear the crispiness? And I'm gonna pour some on the plate. Whee! I don't know how many, maybe a little bit more on this plate. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Okay, let me show you. I'm going to flip the camera around, show you. No, I won't actually. I'll show you my creation like this. Oh, wait, maybe not. Okay, I'll be back. Ciao for now. Bye. And there it is, you guys. Breakfast is served. It would probably be a good idea to add some fruit or something to the plate. So your choice, you do whatever you want. But that's my creation for today. So thanks. Bye for now. Mwah. Bye. Oh, yummy. Okay, so these potatoes turned out fantastic in the air fryer. Highly recommended and pretty easy. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Now, I'm gonna try this thing here. This beautiful thing I made. Let's try it. Okay, be right back. Look at this. Yummy, yummy. And now it's time for the taste, for the bite. Give it a try. Oh, wow. Oh, my God. Delicious. Wow. Love the onion and bacon flavor in there for sure. Definitely a must try. Hope you enjoy it just as much as I do. Ciao for now. Bye.